Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Alcatel U5. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, as you see, my phone has a PIN password. You will see when the phone turns on. As you see, there is a problem with the password. So first of all, we have to turn off our device. That's it. Wait until the phone will turn it off. And right now, press and hold volume up and power button together. After phone wake up, release power button still holding volume up. So press and hold volume up, power button together, release, power button still holding volume up. And that's it. Now you have to choose the language which you want. You can navigate by volume and accept by power. In this case, I'm gonna choose English. So accept by power, and now goes down to the wipe data factory reset. I'm gonna navigate by volume down, accept by power, and now go down to accept the operation. Press the power button one more time, and now phone will formatting data, remove also your password. So now you have to reboot your system now by power, and that's it. Phone will start with a brand new firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!